I have 2 new sticker books to show you from Live, Love, Posh, and literally these just arrived on my doorstep, so I just took them out of the package. I don't even know what's inside. Can't wait to dig in. Okay, so we have Plant Babe and Crafty Planner. Let's take a look at Plant Babe first. I have an affiliate code for you. Bumble 10 will get you 10% off. I will put my link in the description. Okay, oh my gosh. I love Jessica's stickers so much. And we're gonna get 2 pages of each. That's typically what happens anyway. These are on paper. We have, look at these girls with their robes. We have like feathers and flowers, and like it's very kind of boho with this sort of like really understated color palette. I think that's really pretty. And another page that's going to coordinate with the first one. And the good thing about having 2 pages of each is you can use it without like worrying about, oh my gosh, I used my favorite sticker. You know what I mean? Because you can do it again. Lots of plants here, of course. It's a plant book. I know this, but really cute. Okay, so this is a different theme completely. We have this girl, she's hanging out at home, she's reading, you know, well, a bunch of girls, one's on a laptop. But yeah, we've got these plants and sort of like a gray and pink color palette. Look at that, a trio of pictures for the wall. And then we have this little mug with the eyelashes. So cute. So very bookish and plant-like, I guess. More plants. I mean, I love plants in my planner. You know that. So this book really appeals to me. Look at that. So cute. Okay, so as true to Jessica's books, like we have a completely different theme now. It looks very different than the first 2. And I like that. It gives you a lot of variety. That says Botanica Coffee Shop. So cute. And like, I really like these colors. They're very soft. We have some eucalyptus there. Really nice. Gentle colors. I love pastels, so this works for me. We always have like these corner florals, which I love because it just makes it so easy just to, you know, put a spread together so quickly with these stickers. It's really fast. Throw some boxes down with it and you're good to go. And this is cute because we have washi tape, and look, there's a grid washi. So cute. And these little clips, some pens. So planners and plants, my fave. Here is a little more tropical theme, right? We've got these tropical leaves going on, and like these girls hanging out with their little bags. And this is a little strange, like a flower with a skirt. I don't know about that one, but the rest of it's really cute. And so this is going to coordinate with that other page. I like this color palette. It's different. It's very sort of neutral-ish, right? With a pop of green. All right, so Plant Lady. These plants are getting watered, unlike my plants sometimes because I forget. We have a little scene like in the corner here. That's really cute. Love it. And then more plants and more plant dreams. Make your own jungle. So cute with these Monstera leaves. Love this. We have a little pop of peach in this one. Now we've got a girl doing yoga, and good things are coming. Good things are coming. Wash your face. Actually, it says your, not yo. And then we have like, I don't know, we have this like little, you know, diffuser there, and it looks like sort of a self-care page, right? With flowers and plants. I mean, 3 good things. Look at that plant. That's really cool. Yeah, every day's a fresh start. And then we have a little notebook that says the same. Super cute. We have this girl doing her yoga. 3 girls doing their yoga. And then we have a girl in Hawaii, or a girl in some tropical place. It doesn't have to be Hawaii, but you know I love tropical stuff. Look at this. This is kind of boho too, but we've got this little like place on the beach, I'm assuming, with like these pillows and like a blanket, some plants. It's very peaceful. I want to be there. Ooh, These are so cute. Look at those. Really like sort of like a little rainbow pot, and like these are so detailed. Like these pots are like these little designs and stuff, and oh my gosh, it's really, really cute. I like this one. And then we have some, wait, is this still paper? Yeah. We have some quotes. Crazy plant lady, botanist babe, welcome to my garden, succulents and sunshine, plantaholic, love grows here, all that kind of stuff. That's really, really cute. So that is Plant Babe. Now let's check out Crafty Planner. Now, if you're watching this, you're most likely a planner, right? Unless you're just watching it for my witty commentary. I mean, that's possible too, but I doubt it. You're probably a planner, so this is going to appeal to you, I think. Okay, so the first page is very rainbow. We have Be a Rainbow Amongst the Clouds. We have like, ooh, I want to do that to my Alex drawers, but it's not going to match my room. I kind of want to do that though. I've seen people do that. It's really cool. But I digress. We have some highlighters. Look at that mug. Oh my gosh, these pens are so detailed. Everything on this page is really, really detailed. Even those donuts. So cute. Look at this one. I have this one too, except Mike's using it for his tools right now in the storage room. I guess I can't do that to his. Look, we have some happy planners there. That's cute. This is my happy place. Oh my gosh, focus on the good, no bad days. This is really, really cute. Lots of detail. This little cart, like there's a lot of detail in these. If you like rainbow colors, like you like that. Okay, so we're softening it up a little bit here with some paint. So this girl is a painter, and look, she has a little jar of paintbrushes. That's really cute. We have some glue and some scissors and all that kind of stuff. We even have some washi tape there. That's good. And apparently she loves to draw flowers. She's a flower painter, which I think is awesome. And we have these ones, which you can put in your planner and paint yourself if you want. Who knows? You know, also some of these boxes that were in the other sticker book from Live, Love, Posh that I just did a flip through on. She had a lot of these little boxes. I think they're so cute. These are different, of course. Okay, we have a pink and green theme going on, and it's almost like a teal, right? We have a little cactus, and oh, look at that. Ooh, that vase. I want this vase. Sometimes I see these little cartoons and like I want this stuff, but like I don't know where to get it because it doesn't exist, or if it does, you know, who knows where to get it. Look at that. There's like little washi tape flags and stuff. Oh my gosh. Or sticky note flags, I mean. And the little clips and stuff. So cute. And then we have a page of, again, pink and green, but look, we have Starbucks there. Love that. And this black and white striped washi tape. Oh my gosh. So these are a little bit bigger, but the same type of theme as the other page. Vogue, Chanel, all that kind of stuff. Look at those scissors. Ooh, I want those. I'm making my shopping list here, Jessica. Okay, so this is cute. We've got orange and pink. Must buy more stickers. Ooh, look at that keyboard. That keyboard's cool. My keyboard's pink, but I want this one now. Come on. My shopping list is growing. This is a nice strip here. I love that. The orange and the pink and the stars. We have a whole bunch of bullet journals here, or planners or whatever. I love this too. That's so cute. And look at this happy planner here. It's a happy planner. And there's plans written in it. So cute. Wait, let me see if I can figure out what they are. It says like, oh my gosh, study. It says quiz, group presentation. Oh, sorry. I'm looking at it and not even showing it to you. Anyway, there's little plans in there. There's little plans. These are just really detailed. I like looking at them. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Those are your sticker books coming in the mail. If you order this one, that's going to be your sticker book coming in the mail. Look at that. That's really cute. Oh gosh. Okay, so flowers and yeah, like this is like multicolored, but pretty colors. Be happy, hello, beautiful, live, love, plan. We have more washi and clips and planner stuff, you know. Like the planner themed stuff. Hello. Really, really cute. We have some coffee and donuts there. Always a necessity when you're planning. Just don't get anything on your planner. Don't spill it and don't get grease on your planner. It's not good. I've done it before. Not really with donuts, but. Okay, so now we have sort of more of like a stylized sort of theme. Again, with the Alex drawers, those are what mine look like. Kind of boring, right? But we have these like gold and peach florals, and they're kind of fancy. So this is more of like a, you know, posh, a posh look. Look at that little squiggle. Be scared and do it anyway. Whenever I'm using these books, I always go back and like look at them when I'm like using them for a spread, and I find ones that like I didn't see before, like little details I didn't see, because there's a lot to look at, isn't there? A whole lot. So another page of these types of things, and yeah, working on my dreams, believe, dream, achieve. We have a little puffy pen there too. And then more pink and green, which I like. More of those boxes, which I like. A little water bottle. We've got, oh my gosh, just a cute little pen, some scissors, more delicate washi tape in those little pastel colors. Not little, but you know, it's so cute. These are so cute. Look at that. That's what my Cricut looks like. You know, the one that sits in the box in the storage room that's not being used. I know. Goal getter, almost done. Planner stickers, washi pens. There's pretty florals here. I like the contrast between the really detailed drawings and then these like sort of not very detailed florals. I think that's really cool. I like that. And then again, like the other book, we have a page of quotes. Planner Boss, Live, Love, Craft. There's a sticker for that. I can totally make that. I am so crafty, I sweat glitter. So there you have it. The two Live, Love, Posh books that were just sent to me, and it's part of the, wait, let me get it right. The Lifestyle, Posh, oh my gosh, Posh Lifestyle Collection or something like that. I don't know. I'll put all the information in the description box. I was so excited that I didn't look into it before I started the video. So don't forget to use code BUMBLE10 to get 10% off your order at Live Love Posh. And let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, Plant Babe or Crafty Planner. Have a good day, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.